Top 100 Modern Bathroom Design Ideas. Marvelous budget, friendly bathroom. Makeover ideas to beauty your bathroom space. Hello everyone, welcome back again to your channel HD Interiors. In this video, if you are planning to renovate your bathroom or make a budget-friendly makeover of this important living space, this video is for you. How are your bathrooms looking lately? We have a curated collection of budget-friendly bathroom makeover ideas to help you consider the decor in this very important living space. We spend quite a bit of time in our bathrooms, and they should be efficient and beautiful spaces that are just as occupied for a relaxing bath or shower as they are for quickly getting ready in the morning. Bathrooms are relatively small spaces with a lot of items to consider. Tops, toilets and sinks can be expensive to replace, but there are other ways to modernize your bathroom space. If you're looking to update your bathroom this season, we have got some budget-friendly bathroom makeover ideas that will take advantage of some big changes that can be made while leaving the big-ticket items alone. Bathrooms are often left fairly bare and devoid of personality. We would like you to consider this a blank canvas upon which you can create whatever look you want. Art, paint, storage, mirrors, and lighting. Hardware and accessories can all be considered when creating the feel of your bathroom space. Our budget-friendly bathroom makeover ideas will give you a plenty before and after inspiration, no matter what your taste or price point may be. You can give even the most dated small bathroom a modern look with the right paint, cabinets, and sink hardware. Gray tones are a great choice to give things that more modern look. It pairs well with the sleek cabinet and sink hardware, and you can pull it all together with a dark wood mirror frame. This further helps you create that contemporary appearance. The extra decor goes a long way in a small-sized bathroom too, and you can achieve that with some floating shelves in wood at match the mirror frame. This gives you enough room to add in some drinks or greens you without making everything appear cluttered. Some good small bathroom ideas rely on bringing some lightness to the room decor. You can use a nice slat-like design for the walls to better match up with the overtime theme, especially if you already have white flooring. The gray-toned cabinets are light enough to blend well, while adding some contrast. This contrast is aided by the brown mirror frames that also help with sticking to the lighter and modern-like theme. Think about pairing this with a nice area rug in front of the vanity, as it helps to break up the white coloring. A tile accent wall is modern. Just because you have a small area, that doesn't mean your vanity unit has to suffer. The right look can allow your area to come across as more spacious, and you can even give your bathroom a pleasing contemporary style in the process. Feel free to use wall ties to add a nice accent wall to the room, giving it a bit more color and contrast. For small windows, keep colors light. If you have a window in your small bathroom, you can enhance the space by decorating it with light colors. The natural lighting will easily brighten up the area even more. This doesn't just mean using the white though. The white does help with the mirror, frame, and the sink itself. However, you can add some colors and still get the brightness you want. Colors like blues and greens go a long way into improving the room and breathing more life into it. It can also help you build cozy-like theme in the room or even a more creative style. Light colors and open storage make the room bigger. When you want your smaller bathroom area to appear larger, there are a few ways to approach it. For one thing, lighten up the room with cool color tones and some bold lighting. The darker sink pairs seamlessly with white cabinets. Both manage to blend with the cool wall coloring. Another area to address in the decor. Open up the storage space rather than relying more closed cabinets. This can help make the room seem like it's more spacious as well. Plus, you keep everything readily accessible so that it serves as a functional decor on the top of being pleasing to look at. Dear viewer, thank you very much for watching the video until these seconds. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us if you haven't already, so that you receive new and distinctive video. Best regards. Bye bye.